There are multiple Drimaster ECO versions, with or without heaters, with carbon filters, RF controls, or NOx filtration. Choosing the right model depends on your property, layout, and air quality needs, so this is a great point to pause and speak to us. All units include high-grade particulate filters. Some models also include carbon filters designed to reduce pollutants like nitrogen dioxide, especially useful near busy roads. Filters are low maintenance, but they do need periodic replacement. Installation involves mounting the unit in the loft and fitting the ceiling diffuser below. Correct positioning is critical, especially near smoke alarms and stairwells. Installation should always be carried out by a competent person. The unit includes adjustable speed settings to suit property size. Optional wireless controls allow boost functions via humidity or CO2 sensors. Again, setup depends on the home, not just the unit. Maintenance is minimal, mainly filter checks and replacements. The Drimaster ECO comes with a long manufacturer warranty, as long as it's installed and maintained correctly. Hopefully, this gives you a clearer picture of how the Drimaster ECO works. This video is just a quick breakdown, not a substitute for tailored advice. If you're unsure which model you need, or whether this system is right for your property, call us. We're happy to talk it through properly.
If you're an installer or a contractor, don't miss our free trade account. Get bulk discounts, priority technical support, and fast project quotes, all from the ventilation experts at iCells.